Y'all, he finna be so mad at me. He keep having a bad plan B. Because I've been taking these damn probiotics. Oh, shit.
Bruh, stop taking
What?
that shit. Are you serious, bro? This why we fucking buy Plan Bs now.
Why are you so angry?
Because you got me out here like a mini man, bro.
But then you need to learn how to swim.
Bro, my pull-out game can't hang.
That's
I don't know what
not
you
my
want me to do, bro.
problem. Did you get it?
Tasting like a pineapple Slurpee and shit, bro. Stop playing with me.
A pineapple Slurpee?
Bro, give me the shit.
No.
Give me this shit, bro.
No.